Hey everyone, welcome to the live stream. Ludi Shadowspeaker here, Real Estate Extraordinaire. Today, we're talking about facts and feelings in our local market. And I'm standing right here at a spectacular new opportunity, 1515 Hample Street. Let's start with the hard numbers you need to know today. Inventory is tight, and serious buyers are moving incredibly fast. When a property aligns right on the money and location and presentation, it doesn't sit. And 1515 Hample Street is the perfect example. A property that hits every single data point beautifully. But real estate is never just about the spreadsheets. It's about how a space makes you feel the second you cross the threshold. Take a look around me. The architectural lines here are all about texture, light, and bringing nature indoors. To elevate that feeling, we've staged the space with custom botanical designs from Libby's Living Sculptures. Living Sculptures where imagination takes root. These structural succulents, these geological stone elements, they ground the room. They transform a beautiful house into a living, breathing sanctuary. Whether you're analyzing the investment data or looking for a home that truly inspires you, this property delivers on both fronts. I'm going to be live here for a few more minutes to answer your questions. Drop them in the comments right now. Or if you want a private inspection, details, and the full market breakdown for 1515 Hample Street, send me a direct message immediately. Let's talk.